You're supposed to remind me to bring my knee pad.
Well, my bad, I didn't know.
You had one job.
Which I didn't know?
One job. Raymond's Camaro is out here for the first time in, it's been like 2 or 3 years since this car has seen any kind of track. It's ready to lay down some hits. Raymond is ready also. We need to get him comfortable. That's the whole goal of today. Get Raymond comfortable in the seat, gate passes only. Let's find out what the Camaro is doing, because we've never had it wide open throttle. Do a little bit of fine tuning and just get him comfortable. So that's gonna be the goal. He is a little bit nervous. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. He's a little bit nervous, but we'll get him past that. Once he makes his first hit, it'll be all right. Andy's also here in the S10. Try to catch some action of that, but you all checked in?
Yeah.
All right. We got to drop the tire pressure, and then we got to load ice, and we can get up there.
Sounds good.
How nervous? 1 to 10.
1 to 10? I don't know, like 11 maybe.
Ooh, look at this, brand new and everything. Oh my God.
Ready to rock and roll.
Okay then. Pass went decent, but I heard some weird rubbering at the big end. I don't know. I'll have to ask what that was. Apparently that was Andy who we raced. I don't know why he got in the left lane. I told him to go in the right lane after us. But yeah, he made a look like a decent hit. We'll have to see. He kind of started tracking to the left hard. We're gonna have to figure that out. It looked like it left just fine. Everything was a normal pass, it looked like from my end. We'll have to see. Everything okay?
Yeah.
You were tracking to the left. Yeah. Were you fighting the car?
Yeah. So I let off.
It's probably the rear drag link.
Yeah. That's why I let off, because I felt myself going this way. And I was gonna try and fight it out the gap.
I told him to put y'all in the right lane. I don't know why he went
they put him on the left. You are?
Almost smoked it right here.
Is it oil?
Turbo smoked it. It smells like oil, but I don't know.
Then late hard?
Hey, what happened with you?
Dude, he had me do the burnout in the water. I didn't get my tires
No.
down.
I told him to put you in the right lane.
He told me to come over to the left.
You should have said no.
Everybody said the left was
No,
the slicks.
the right. You're not on slicks, you're on radials. You're in the right lane.
I didn't know.
Right lane. I told
No
that
wonder
guy.
I didn't stick
said,
like it all.
Both right lane is what I told him.
God damn it, dude.
I
was like, man, why?
That's why when you left, I turned around and I started to get ready for you. I'm like, where's Andy? I had no idea you were even next to us. I was so focused on this car.
Andy was next to me. I was like, oh, okay.
Dude, he had me do the burnout in the fucking water.
Who?
The fucking guy, he didn't pull me up all the way.
Well, that's why I needed to be there. I was supposed to be there for that. All right, we're gonna give you a little taste of Andy and the S10 running. You guys seen this on the fucking channel before. It's always badass. He switched it to a 6-speed. That's the update. He is enjoying the shit out of it. Yeah, he's getting ready to run. That thing makes so much noise. It's ridiculous. Raven is just behind him. We're gonna do a second pass, which is just the car's tracking, like I said in the video. So we need to figure that out. But for right now, I just want kind of like another 150-foot data is all I need to kind of see what it's doing, because he definitely short-shifted it and had some issues. But we're working through it. We're working through it. It's gonna be a process. But for now, let's enjoy some action with the S10.
Went to the left right away.
Yeah. You can see it in the. We were talking when you left.
Yeah, you can see the wheel.
Yeah, the wheel does this. It's body rolling and the wheel's kind of doing this number.
You need to hit it harder.
Do what we talked.
Yeah, I hit the rev though.
You did over. That's
yeah.
better than short shifting it.
I saw, like, I could see the red shadow coming across. I was like, oh shoot! And by the time I was gonna do it, it went,
Yeah, if you feel comfortable, we can hit it again.
We'll do it one more time.
I'll put in smoke.
Everyone remembers Zach. Say hi to channel Zach.
Yeah, because it was rolling forward without me even pushing the button.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna put you a little deeper in the water to kind of compensate for that and see if that works. But this is why we're out here, to find out what the car wants or what it needs and adjust those things and continue improving. But he's having a great time, which is the biggest thing, obviously. And I'm having a good time being out here and watching. It's been a while. All right, so we got caught in the closing phase. We weren't able to get back up before they closed, so we weren't able to make that last pass with Andy. But the good news is that he's got the fire back in him to do this, so I think we're gonna be back out sooner rather than later, which is good. Raymond's also packing up as well, but it was a fun night.